अस्सलामु अलैकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। नहमदुहु व नुसल्ली अला रसूलिहिल करीम, अम्मा बाद। In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. My dear friend, brother and sisters, and honorable audience, honorable viewers, today you have to say some things about our freedom. The freedom which we attained on 15 August 1947 was a result of a long struggle which involved contribution and sacrifice of men and women of all class and communities of India. And especially many Muslim people and ulama have given their life for the sake of our independence. While freedom fighters like Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose and Mahatma Gandhi rightly get their share of credit, the contribution made by ulama, Muslim scholars, in India's freedom struggle is largely ignored. After the revolt of 1857 credits as India's first war of independence, feel the ulama who were a leading force of the revolt became the main target of British attack. A total of 2 lakh men and women were martyred at the time. Of these, about 51,200 were ulama. 500 of these ulama were hanged in Delhi. If Muslim peoples and ulamas were not there at that time of our independence, we will not have our independence at that time. Britishers have killed many ulama, and their blood was flowing like water at the time. Their body were hanging on the trees, and their legs were tied by ropes, and with the help of elephant they pulled the rope, and their body were teared like paper. They were killed by bombs, and because of that, the pieces of their body fall on the ground like rainwater. Lakhs of Muslims were killed during protest for our independence, and they have sacrificed their life for our India. Dead body of ulamas were hanging on every tree from Chandni Chowk to Balakot. They killed ulama by putting them into fire. Muslims were given black water punishment, Sajai Kala Pani, by sending them to jail in Andaman and Nicobar Island. Many ulamas were sent in jail at Malta. Shah Abdul Aziz Muhaddis Dehlvi, Shah Ismail Shaheed, Haji Imdadullah Muhajir Makki, Maulana Rashid Ahmad Gangohi, Maulana Qasim Nanodwi, Maulana Fadl Haq Khairabadi, Sheikhul Hind, Maulana Hussain Ahmad Madani, Rahimahumullah Ta'ala alayhim ajma'in, were the few Muslim leaders who have fought for the freedom of our nation and given their life for India. Muslims should remember this Muslim freedom fighter. Muslims should remember this Muslim freedom fighter, especially in school, colleges, universities, and in public programs. We should remind people about Muslim freedom fighters, and we should tell whole world about the sacrifice of our Muslim leaders and our Muslim martyrs.